Rambo.
Say hello.
Hello. Pamper. Pamper. Pamper.
Yeah, this is the best way to go.
Yeah. Because we walk a little bit far while we go, right?
Horse name Rambo. He's still single, Rambo.
Oh.
Wasn't it 3 p.m. to 6 p.m.? I think so.
Yung nakasabit, ano ba? Yung nakasabit, ma'am?
Meron po. So,
It's almost still midnight in there.
Hey. Hey.
'Di ko kasama sa ano.
Horse palang bigoro, mga una natin Malacanang. Palacio del Gobernador. Yan, naka-state resident lahat yung mga general governor. Walang presidente,
Manila Cathedral.
walang vice mayor.
Manila ka din.
Parang hindi tayo nakapasok kasi
1 year close, under renovation, Manila Cathedral.
Ito yung nabi.
alam mo yung nirenovate daw yun.
Till 1581.
Are you part of a high school class in Trinidad? College class. Is it just for, but for a certain kind of course, like political science or history? Too bad all your professors weren't like him as animated. Every day would be fun.
That's the top F.
Oh, binera.
$100,000 many die, ma'am. 1945. A lot of innocents. Already inside here, left side.
Inside?
Yeah, memory.
Saan? Dyan, kuya?
Yeah, ma'am.
Memora.
Yung panahon ng hapon yun, ma'am. Mass grave.
Oh.
The mass grave is there. Mass grave for those who were massacred. Yeah.
Here. Yan ang simbahan ng tatlong paring martir.
Which one?
Sila Gumbur sa Gomez Zamora.
Ano kuya?
Nawala rin yan noong World War II.
Ruins na lang to eh.
Nirebuild. Museum yan, ma'am. Museum.
Museum.
Ruins. Pero ni-renovate yan. Ito yung project ni Gordon, ma. Wow, Philippines yan. Lahat ng product, Cebu, Mindanao na yan.
Wow, Philippines.
Ngayon, wala tayong region. Pero dati, ang nakatayo dyan, ma'am, yung unang Ateneo.
The house?
Kung saan nag-aral dyan, si Rizal ng high school. Ayun yung itsura ng Ateneo, mga yan.
Nag-ano
Built 1870.
Wait,
We've already
naman
done
lang.
like it.
That's where like yan dati. Kahit lumakad na dito. Picture lang kami ng ruins.
The name, a lot of stone, adobe.
Adobe.
Not adobo, adobe.
Tama yan, kuya.
Same word.
Tama yan.
Hindi kasi pares lang sila ng words kasi.
Tatang ko nga sa'yo.
Used to be Ateneo de Manila, used to be Adamson University.
Oh,
Now sa Office of San Miguel Pier.
ito? Adamson. Oh.
Original entrance.
Ateneo Adamson.
Puerta de Santa Lucia to allow the entry of American tank before.
Kuya, ang dami mong alam. Dito na nakatira yun.
We're here.
14 presidents, 14 faces of the Republic of the Philippines.
Oh.
Emilio Aguinaldo, begin to Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Eva actor, Joseph R. Estrada. And the actress, Arroyo.
Wow.
Yan yung una nating PMA, yun nasa Baguio.
Ah, saan?
Yun sa original site of Philippine Military Academy here.
Oh.
Already moved, Baguio, 1908.
Ito daw, this one. Philippine Military Academy.
Quarter de Santa Lucia or PC Barracks, they call it before.
Wow. Santa Lucia. Santa Lucia.
Malapit lang yung lakad natin. Ang layo. May talaga.
Higit lang kayo, hindi mo lang kayo mamili.
At least we get some city, some tour.
Hindi na kumain tayo kanina.
Hey. Manila University. Many students smart, no pay. Owned by the government, PLN yan, ma'am. Oo, mas scholar yan. Libre matrikula niya kasi matatalino. Alam niyo ba kung sino may-ari niyan? Patio Victoria.
Sino po?
Si Kring Kring.
Gonzales? Ayun yung kay Christina Gonzales?
For reception area yan.
Ah,
Asawa ni Jose Maria,
the one is
Congressman
owned by the
Romualdez. Anak ni
wife
Jose
of
Maria
the
Gonzales. Siya may-ari.
congressman. Kuya, di ba siya na yung mayor sa Samar?
Oo, siya ngayon na tinangay ng bahay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. The mayor, the husband is the mayor of Samar. When hit by the typhoon.
Yung asawa.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Romualdez. Yeah. Kring ba? Or councilor sa Samar.
Ayan, San Agustin.
Yeah.
Nakikita niya siya. Oo, ilang ni Sir Carlos galing Amerika yan. Bakit yun?
Sir Carlos just came from the Pero yung family niya kuya, taga dito?
Oo, sila rito. Hindi sa Mexico. Parang Aquila sa Mexico.
Kasi ano sila no? Spanish. Barbara.
Ayun na kayong bababa at bibilangin po kayo. Sige. Sige, dyan. 10 ito, 10. Oo, sige ma'am, sige.
Okay.
Right foot, right foot.
Thank you.